No expectation. Wait a second! No way.
This video is for educational purposes only. Don't repeat the actions shown in this video.
Hey guys, welcome back. On this channel, I test financial tools, blockchain-related projects, all the crypto games, and I was scrolling through the internet like crazy for the last several weeks, and I couldn't find anything good. I tested some projects, and they turned out to be garbage, just waste of life. I was totally disappointed until I actually came across this one. And I was really impressed, and I wanted to put it to the test right in front of your eyes. I'm gonna enter start. This is the thing I was talking about, and I'm gonna open the project itself. Yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. This is a blockchain-related crypto game. And in this video, I'm gonna try playing it with this helper tool. I'm gonna go with the third option here. Yep, I'm gonna adjust some settings. Basically, it's no big deal. I'm gonna press this blue button, then this green one, and I'm gonna select what I need. Basically, this is the regular part of the settings adjustment. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna go back to my account, and give me just a moment. I'm gonna go ahead to the section. I'm gonna enter what I need here. And while I'm doing it, guys, I wanted to say that everything that I'm showing here is just my random experience. I'm not a financial advisor, and basically, I do not recommend repeating any of that. And guys, as you can see, it's processing. We're gonna wait like for several seconds. Come on. It's processing. Still processing. Yeah, I thought it would be faster, but that's all right. Okay, so we're waiting for a notification. And like I said, guys, I'm not promoting anything. I'm just showing my personal experience. So I'm gonna go back to this project. I'm gonna try and reload this thing. And yeah, it's here. That was fast. And right now, I'm gonna get to the most interesting part. I'm gonna press this button and give me just a moment. Yeah. Here's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to synchronize this tool with the game itself. This is important. I just selected 23, then next step. Everything should be done. And yep, it's just done, guys. And I'll tell you what, this is so impressive. I'm gonna put it to the test. I don't expect anything, and I'm putting this tiny test amount. By the way, I'm totally fine losing it. I'm gonna open this one, looking good. The second one, I'm gonna double check it. I don't wanna, misclick. That's gonna be crazy. And how about this? I mean, did you see that? No way. No, this is just, I refuse to believe it. At least for now. Okay, so now let's get to the most interesting part. I'm gonna select what I need here, and I'm gonna wrap up this test, because the test is not gonna be completed until I complete it, so to speak, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna press this button. I'm gonna take this. Give me just a sec. I'm gonna put it right here. Wait a second. I'm gonna select it once again. Yeah. Then this, I'm dropping it right here, looking good. I'm gonna double check it. I'm gonna enter this thing. And yeah, I just received a notification. I mean, I don't know. I'm a bit nervous right now because I don't know what to expect. No expectations whatsoever. I'm just gonna try and refresh this thing. And I just want to see what's gonna happen. No expectation. Wait a second! No way. There's no freaking way. Am I blind? Are you freaking serious? Man? I mean, I don't know. I'm just speechless. And yeah, this is exactly what I was testing today. I'm gonna see you in the next one.